take on. To accept a responsibility or challenge. Example: she decided to take on the project despite her busy schedule. Give in. To stop resisting or to surrender. Example: he finally gave in and agreed to his friend's plans. Look over. To examine or check something briefly. Example: the teacher looked over the assignments before submitting them. Put away. To store something in its proper place. Example: after dinner, he put away the dishes in the cupboard. Break through. To overcome a difficulty or obstacle. Example: the scientists broke through and found a cure for the disease. Look up to. To admire or respect someone. Example: children often look up to their parents as role models. Turn away. To refuse entry or reject someone. Example: they turned away the visitors because the museum was full. Make up for. To compensate for something. Example: he worked overtime to make up for his earlier mistakes. Put up with. To tolerate or endure something unpleasant. Example: she has to put up with noisy neighbors every night. Take after. To resemble someone, especially in personality or appearance. Example: he takes after his father in his love for sports. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.